Hey everyone, today we're diving into Major Bot. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the bot, explain how the distribution works, predict the price of the token, and discuss whether it's worth investing any money into the bot. Plus, we'll talk about the official listing date. And of course, if you're new here, welcome. We cover how to earn money for free from the comfort of your home, so make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. Also, I'll leave a link to the Telegram channel in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So make sure to join. Let's quickly go over the bot. You'll find the link to it in the description. Once you join, you'll see a simple interface. The bot works by letting you collect points through easy daily tasks that reset every 24 hours, and some tasks reset every 8 hours. The tasks that reset every 24 hours are under the Earn tab. You'll have plenty of free tasks to do, so stick to those and avoid the paid ones unless you're planning to invest. There's also a game section with daily combos and games like Hold Coin, the Wheel of Fortune, and Swap Coin, all resetting every 8 hours. Your goal is to complete as many tasks as possible before the bot closes on November 8th to gather as many points as you can. Now let's talk about how the distribution will work. Will the tokens you've collected be the same as the final reward? Or will your points be divided and converted into a smaller amount? Honestly, there's still no official word on this, but I expect the points to be divided into 2 or 3 parts. And then you'll be able to withdraw your final tokens based on that. Here's what I think. The bot includes charging options, and there's a possibility that people who top up will get more tokens than those who stick with the free tasks. But you can earn those same tokens from free tasks, so it seems the final distribution might depend on how many points you've collected for free versus how much you've invested. I'll dive into this more at the end of the video, so make sure you watch the whole thing. A lot of people are asking whether it's worth charging in this bot or not. Personally, I'm still debating. For reference, charging definitely gives you more tokens, but it's not necessary to get good rewards. If you want to take the risk and top up, I'd suggest $5 to $10. But don't invest more than that if you're unsure. Charging boosts your earnings, but the risk is still there. Now, about the listing date. There's no official confirmation yet, but there's a post on Twitter hinting at November 14th. As soon as we get more details, we'll share them on our Telegram channel, so be sure to join us there. Before I wrap up, let me know in the comments how many tokens you've accumulated so far. Drop your numbers below. If you're not sure whether to charge or not, remember, you can absolutely work for free and still earn a good amount of tokens. But if you do want to invest a little, that's totally up to you. Just be cautious. And again, if you're using multiple accounts or devices, you can maximize your earnings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. It really helps out. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.